Hey guys! In today's video, I want to show you how to insert a YouTube video into your website using some simple HTML. I will also show you some attributes that will help you when inserting a YouTube video, such as how to resize it, allow or disallow full screen, the title for the SEO, and more. Let's begin. First of all, you need to go to your text editor. In my case, I will be using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any. Once you are here, just create your new HTML file. Remember that you need to use the HTML extension, or it won't work. In my case, I will use this file I have already, which has some simple CSS so it doesn't look that ugly. It has a simple header and footer. I will show how it looks like. To run any HTML file, you need to copy the path of the file and paste it in your browser. You can also drag the file directly to the browser. This is how it looks like. I will be adding the YouTube video in the middle of this header and footer. Let's do it. I will go to youtube.com and go into any video. In my case, I will choose this one, for example. Scroll down and click this share button right here. Click this embed option, and here you will see all the HTML code needed to insert this video in your website. You can check this option right here, so the video will automatically start at a specific minute and second, which we will specify here. Now just copy this code and paste it in your HTML file. Just with this code, the video can be played in your website, but I will show you how to make it look better, and I will explain all those attributes. Firstly, you have the width and height attribute, which will help you to resize the video. Let's try it. You can modify it however you want to make it bigger or smaller. This title attribute right here doesn't change anything. This is just for the SEO of your website, which is the search engine optimization. Another thing we can do, and it's highly recommended to make it look better, is add some CSS by using style. Just add a style followed by the margin attribute. In my case, I will try 15 pixels. And I will also center the video by using the center tag. Now it looks way better. The next attribute is frame border, which will display a border outside the frame of the video. You can set this as 0. If you don't want the border, or 1 if you want it, you can't modify it. And there is only one type of border. And all these attributes right here will allow you to use other YouTube options like the accelerometer and a lot of things YouTube has built in. And finally, this one that will allow you to put the video in full screen. That's how simple it is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.